How to create new profiles in Google Chrome. So first you want to open up Google Chrome, and if you're not signed in, you should sign in with a Google account. Otherwise, you can see this logo here, which means you signed into your Gmail or default profile. Now to add another one, you want to click on this and click on Add Chrome Profile. And it will prompt you to sign into your Gmail again. So you can click on sign in and potentially use a different Gmail account just for this profile. You can also create a guest mode profile or account, which is useful if you don't own the computer and you still want a different profile. I'm going to sign in with my Gmail right here. Now, once you sign in, you should be taken to your new profile with your new email that you've signed with. And that's how you have separate profiles if you want a personal profile and another profile just for business or working. So this will also save your search history and then sync it across profiles. If you sign into different devices or different computers, you still can have your history synced, as well as any installed plugins or extensions and bookmarks and everything. And of course, you can control the syncing by going to your profile settings and click on sync is on. So you can from here turn on or off the syncing across devices. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.